Hi, I'm Marlein, and I'm responsible for global development and innovation of our service fulfillment. I think the two are that the world is changing really rapidly, and there is a need, especially for us, to grow with the changing world, but also with our customers' needs. And how we do it is to stay close to our values and develop and innovate in the process as well. Yeah, it was really great meeting different suppliers and engaging with colleagues and ex-colleagues as well. So it's been super good and just general inspiring and a nice experience to be with. I would say engaging.